Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this video made by Nicholas and Tyler from Nicholas and Tyler's Food Review channel. Now, I wanted to talk about something else, but I chose to talk about this, so this is what we're going to do, okay? Now, enjoy a Mercedes Powers video clip from my computer made with Windows, Xbox Game Bar. Hey guys, so today we're going to be reacting to a video made by these two people. Now these people, I have them on my MySpace account on myspace.windows93.net. Make an account and follow me there if you want to. And they basically run this channel called Nicholas and Tyler Food Reviews. And they basically made this mukbang. Now I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna show you guys something. And I'm gonna go through the entire thing.
You guys want to see this big thing.
Like very quickly.
You won't skip to the end of it. You won't. Yeah, you're gonna watch us do the Diablo sauce. You're gonna watch us do the brew. You're gonna watch us do snack. You're gonna watch us drink the Baja Blast.
I'm literally gonna watch it. The entire
I'm not
thing.
gonna finish mine because I want to save room for everything.
One more bite.
I think this is
Okay, yeah, I
pretty
agree.
good spot to leave it out.
We don't want you to gain weight.
Way down.
I'm gonna go ahead
We
and
don't want you to gain weight.
finish later, trust me.
So don't finish it. The whole thing, like, don't finish it or else you're gonna gain weight.
As I already
you
said,
eat
very
all
good.
that.
But let's go over to the Diablo sauce.
It's like
This
at least a
Diablo sauce,
couple, like
very spicy. Now,
at
I don't
least 10
handle spicy
items.
things that well,
Like
but
8 or
I
10.
love Diablo sauce.
You need an accent?
Not really.
Alright, so
Like napkin.
let's go ahead and
Not
do
really, but thank
the
you.
stackers next.
Alright,
put more
stackers.
Diablo sauce
I think I
up
remember
front
the
and center.
stackers from
Here,
this
Tyler,
deal where they
use
would
your
like
stackers.
sell the stackers.
And everyone's be fine.
Let's pull it out at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, these are
I'm sure like
just
his
for
ideas
more
if I remember
For
correctly.
safety.
Yep.
Let's see.
Yep.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Yo, I get it right.
Like,
I
weird
remember
black
those.
stuff
I remember
on it.
eating those before.
Alright, so just off of first impressions,
I think I remember the
here
combo
it is.
where I would
It's like
get
a
those.
triangle.
It kind of looks like a piece of pizza, although it's not.
It's like
off
a
of my first
quesadilla,
impressions,
if I remember
it
correctly.
smells kind of burnt.
It is
Like,
a little
with-
burn, but
like,
I'm
with-
sure it'll be fine.
Yeah, you can definitely
beans.
taste that or smell that there's some sort of cheese
It was like
in
a
here.
bean or
And
cheese
to be blatant,
quesadilla-like
I kind of
thing,
forgot what there
if I
was in here.
remember
I'm just gonna be
correctly.
honest, right?
Surprise.
Yeah. So it kind of looks like a wallet.
Very good.
Your credit card
Nice,
or a Taco Bell
Nicholas.
gift card.
Nice.
Or
Yeah,
anything
you
else
could
really
definitely put
Alright,
money
so,
in there, unless you accidentally
there
forget,
really isn't many other
and then your
first
friend
impressions for me
eats
when
the
I eat
money. If
I
toss
mean,
them in the
I guess I
hospital
can't
because
really
they
have
don't
first
feel good.
impressions without eating it. It's very weird, like how they're packaged. Like there's a lot of layers.
Duh.
I guess
It is called the stacker, so.
Right.
It's the stacker.
Yeah, I think we
It's
should
supposed
here.
to
Go
have
ahead and take a
layers.
bite off this rounded area.
Around the area.
Oh yeah, I don't know if I mentioned this before. I will be eating sauce on top of that. So we only have one. So 3, 2, 1. I think we have 2 bites in total.
Duh, it's good from the beginning. I'm not a
I'll let you go first,
professional
This is
food
good.
reviewer like
Like, this is
these
really
guys,
good.
but
Like, take everything.
it
everything
tastes good.
perfect
Like
with
you
this.
can figure it out like at the
And
very
then give
beginning.
it on a quesadilla.
Like
That's how it
first
is.
bite,
It's amazing.
you can tell.
See, contrary to what Tyler said, this doesn't actually have rice in it. I think it doesn't. Or, well, I know it doesn't have beans. I know that. It has chicken, obviously cheese. I don't know if you guys can really tell this. I don't know how close the
Misinterpretation
camera
on
is
my
or not,
end.
but, you know,
I messed
it
up.
is,
Sorry,
you know,
I haven't eaten
it's a
one of
taco.
those in
Or
like a while.
stacker, I guess.
You know.
But off of my first impressions, it is very good. Like Tyler said, it's basically a quesadilla, but with rose milk.
Yeah, it's good.
I'm gonna get one more
I
bite of
agree with
it.
you, Nicholas.
Too.
Very good. Very, very good. I've had one of those before.
You can't even taste
Except
the
I can't
burnt
remember the taste.
tortilla.
Yeah, you really can.
There's just so much flavor in this.
So I'm not gonna pause the video, because I want to get through it.
You guys don't mind real quick? We're going to go ahead and bring some Diablo sauce over here. Just to clear space for
I would like for someone to fill up an entire bowl of Diablo sauce and just drink the whole entire thing or
So,
eat the whole
we're
entire
a little more
sauce.
quiet than usual,
Yeah.
but
Say,
that's because the food we have is just so good.
Yeah, also,
Blame.
this may possibly be our longest video yet because it's a mukbang. Sorry, it's a mukbang. So,
It's our longest video yet.
I hope you guys enjoy seeing our faces a little bit more than maybe 2 or 3 minutes, maybe the occasional 9 10. Yeah, I think it is a bit tough when I'm screwing in this part.
Yeah, it's true. When we reach back here, I'm gonna assume this back part is
It's basically just, you're eating a dry cooked tortilla. All the good
You're
stuff
just
is
eating
up.
tortilla
Yeah.
and
Speaking of
that.
good stuff, I'm gonna hold up this good stuff for a little bit longer. I'm gonna time for it to finish it off. I'm gonna go ahead and put it to the side.
Yeah, put it to the side so you can enjoy everything else.
And here, Tyler, why don't you go ahead and
It's weird how they can eat that much food.
do the
I
taco.
probably wouldn't,
Here, I'll put
but
this
they
over
can.
here.
I guess they probably had to hold
right here,
off on eating for a while in order to make the video. But I don't know.
So, I think I'll go
I
ahead and go a
don't know
little
what
closer
goes
to
on
this.
in their lives.
Right? So, I'm pretty sure most people have actually had the original taco from Taco Bell. It's a pretty iconic thing. It's what started their business. And I'm pretty
just
sure
a
everyone's
crunchy
seen one
taco.
if they haven't eaten one. So this is it. It's a normal hard shell taco. Inside of it, you can see there's beef. Yeah, I'm pretty sure
I
it's beef,
really
lettuce,
like how,
and
at
cheese.
the
And
Taco Bell that I go to, they
for
always
time's
have
sake, I
soggy.
won't really show
They're
cameras. I'm
always
just going to put
breaking
some Diablo
apart.
sauce in
The
here.
shell is breaking.
Excuse me, and done.
It's so sad.
Here.
Because you can never actually enjoy
Little
it.
backstory on Diablo
When I
sauce.
get the number
This
6
was
combo,
supposed to be
it's
a limited
good,
time
but
thing,
when I eat the taco,
but
I'm like,
now it's only
bruh,
in Texas
I'm
because
literally
people in Texas liked it
just
so much
filling
that
the
they
entire
decided to keep
taco
it.
because the
So you can
taco
only
shell
get
is
this in
broken.
Texas.
Because
That
that's how
is
it
a
always
true
is at
fact.
this exact
I
Taco Bell.
totally don't know why they wouldn't give it to other places, but it's just so good here. So here we go. I'll just go ahead and get a quick bite in it. I don't know what Tyler's doing, but here we go. 3, 2, 1.
How come Nicholas has a good crunchy taco? I just bite into it, boom, breaks. Breaks apart into 2.
A little bit
The
more
shell.
Diablo sauce in here.
Bruh. I'm jealous right now.
It's very original. Very original.
Duh.
If I'm gonna be honest, you really can't go wrong with a quick hard shell taco taste test. A snack. I would give it. We haven't really been doing ratings for these, but just for the normal taco, it's a good 6 out of 10. Just plain Jane, original, good snack. And speaking of plain Jane, this isn't plain. This isn't plain for our channel at all. So I think I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side real quick.
Okay,
Everyone's
it's
in shot
probably
right
one of
now?
my predictions.
Oh, well.
One of my predictions. For sure. But
Right.
because they said that
It's
the
time for
taco
this
is plain
Diablo
Jane,
sauce right here.
we can already take off 1. It's probably
And
that thing.
Here you go.
Mm,
1
I'm
napkin.
so nervous.
Good.
Just show me already. I want to rewind, but he said, don't rewind.
So,
He
I
needs
think
a
I wanna
plate.
go ahead and crack
It's
into
gotta
the-
be something.
my
Like,
Baja
it's gotta
Blast,
be my.
right?
Oh,
if you didn't know, it's a
great.
Mountain Dew
Why?
Baja Blast. It's only buy it at Taco Bell. Only buy it at Taco Bell. Nowhere
Why
else.
must you torture
You can
me?
only buy it at Taco Bell. If you
Also, I
couldn't
don't know
tell,
if
we're
the
kind of
quality's bad,
easing
but I'm
into a
using
Taco Bell
headphones right now.
sponsorship.
It better not be a bad
I'm not saying that,
quality.
but might as well, right?
How many minutes
So-
do I have left? Wait, 11
Quick
minutes?
sip real quick.
Oh, and just to know, this could win Nicholas an Xbox Series X, the world's most powerful.
Yeah, the arguably the better.
Wait,
So-
it's for
I had
Nicholas?
to get a quick 3
well,
sips.
yes,
You
that
know,
makes
honestly, it
sense.
feels good to be
What's he gonna
a
do?
future
Post
Xbox
parties
Series X
that you don't
winner
have?
from Taco
And
Bell.
like, everybody like,
I quite
but
enjoy it.
I
That's why
have
I enjoy this drink
PlayStation. It
quite a
won't
bit.
let me
And are you
play
gonna go ahead and
with
get one more
you
sip?
guys.
Put it over here. I don't know
That's
if you can
just
see the
funny.
camera. I'll check real
Like
quick.
how you can't use
But-
your Fortnite account. They recommend
can't
that
see
you
that at
get
all,
a
but
separate Fortnite
It's
account
whatever.
for
Because
PS4.
right now it's
or else
time
you'll just like
for
break your entire
the-
Rockstar Games.
the main
like,
menu.
your-
The
You could
main
say.
Wait, I'm
dish.
the one.
Here,
I
I'll
think
go
it's
ahead and
Epic Games, yeah, not
make sure the
Rockstar
camera
Games.
can
Rockstar
see
Games, I
it
think
front
they
and
make
center. Oh,
GTA.
yeah, that is.
Epic Games, like yeah, Epic Games.
That's gonna be good.
It
Here we go.
it breaks your entire Epic
You want-
Games.
I think I'll get this side and you get that side.
because
Ready?
then you
Okay.
can't
All right.
cross play.
3.
Even though
2,
you have the console,
1.
it wasn't necessary to cross play.
Ooh,
Wait, it was my
No, don't mind it.
prediction.
Don't mind
It was
the
the
lid, right?
nacho.
allows to put stuff on the side.
Yes. I
Here,
mean, it
I'm
was
gonna
the
go ahead and get a
nachos.
little.
I predicted that it was gonna be nachos. I don't know if I actually predicted
it
on
looks
the
pretty
video. I
good,
think
right?
I only
Y'all are
predicted.
jealous.
If you
like,
can see
in my
it, there is many.
actual-
There's nachos, nacho cheese, guacamole, pico de
I think I only
gallo,
predicted it
sour
in the very
cream,
first recording, but like I
and
predicted,
jalapenos.
bro.
And if you can't really see in
I
here, there
predicted
is
that there was gonna
seasoned
be
beef.
nachos.
Mainly goes in soft tacos, but we went out of hand and did it on nachos. So, I don't really know what that is because there's so many different parts in this that we could go so many different ways. Tyler, you can go ahead and get first. Actually, no. I think we should each get a big chunk. I'm gonna go ahead and get this up. I got a smaller one than you.
This is gonna
I'm
define
gonna do this
whether or
one
not
bite.
I actually try
Mine is
the
not
nachos at Taco Bell.
3, 2, 1. Outstanding. What do you think? You had the bigger piece with more stuff on it. What is your favorite thing?
It's a rainbow of flavors. There's so much to it. I didn't even know it was possible to taste that many ingredients out of
Quite honestly, which we didn't initially think it was going to be this much, but I was not going to eat this all in the same video. Not in any other video other than this one, by the way. But I think we're just going to pick at this last minute or two. One thing that I wish we could do, which hopefully we'll be able to do near time in the future, is a mukbang with a Q&A put into it. Because so we can go throughout this without just talking about the food we have, and we can go through it talking about the food we have, but also answering questions like, what is your guys' future plans in your channel? Or what do you want to do when we hit 1 million subscribers?
Yeah,
right?
we're just thinking of the future.
Yeah, like we can't really think.
Overachievers. That's
We
good.
gotta think in the far future. Not
I hope this actually gets me some promotion for my channel and actually helps me grow as a YouTuber. Because I need the support. So I just need the support. And I haven't uploaded in a while. So I really need the support. And I know I wasn't actually going to pause, but I just had to.
not the near future per se, but pretty much everything.
Yeah.
You know? Do you have any statements on?
Kind of like you said, I thought it would be like maybe half the size of this. It makes sense why it was so expensive. It was $11, I believe.
You know, instead of buying all of that, they could have bought a smaller box. Like, I don't know if you remember the chalupa crate, like the $5 chalupa box. I think that's what it was called. But basically, it was like a square box. That's a rectangle box right there. They could have spent less money if they had gotten the square box rather than the rectangle box. And they could have had half. So, really, they actually didn't know much. But still, who cares? They're the ones criticizing food, not me.
But so far, my favorite part, definitely the jalapenos. This is coming from someone that doesn't like spicy things. The jalapenos are very rich in flavor. Their seeds are not there. So I guess that's why this, we're rating this. I give this a 9 out of 10. My only problem with it is that there isn't enough guacamole. Barely any guacamole.
9 out of 10? I guess 10 out of 10 would be for me. But I would probably like, even though it's like not seedless, even, like Tyler said, because Tyler didn't really like jalapenos. I'm like, bro, what if it's like still spicy? So I would probably like not try it, or if I did, I would probably just like pick out the jalapenos, because the only spicy food I'd ever eat is spicy chips. Continue.
Honestly, I would probably give it the same thing. Although I may go a little bit lower. I'd say 8.5 because main two reasons. Obviously, there's no guacamole. I know guacamole is it can be expensive for but I think other than the guacamole being more, I think that there should be a little bit more nacho cheese.
Yeah.
For being this large of a nacho box and having this little amount of nacho cheese is quite disappointing. I have to say, yeah. Although it is a good mix of flavors when you get those and everything else in it. It'll be nice.
But I think it's good. He thinks it's good. It's just good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I even know I haven't actually tried it. I think it's good from what they're saying.
I don't know if you said this, it is not a party pack. I don't know how much of this means how we're doing it. But if you have a party of, say, maybe, at the very least, 3 people, 1, 2, 3, it's pretty good. Of course, maybe if you have upwards of 7.
They could actually equally distribute that amongst 3. For 2, it would probably be like good if they're if the 2 people like massive eaters, like they eat a lot, then it would probably be good to get the party pack instead of the smaller pack that I mentioned. I think was called a nacho box, but like I don't exactly remember. It's been a while.
7 people and maybe on a bit of the inside.
Yeah.
So I think this is a pretty swell place to end it. Good nacho box.
Yeah. Good everything.
Good party pack.
Everything's good.
Good other food. Anything. Do you think it's a good? It's a pretty good place to end it.
I think it is. I would like to know how you guys thought of our first Muppet. Now, it wasn't as much food as
some people who eat 4,000 calories.
Yeah, we're not them.
Yeah. And I hope we never.
Yeah, no, definitely.
They don't understand. But I would like to do another one of these, whether it be with
Yeah, I'm definitely going to be sticking around for more, so I'm going to definitely subscribe to these people at the end of the video.
Whether it be with pizza or Popeyes even a place like Subway, that'd be cool. They have many different options. Yeah, and one big place that I know of is either A, Jersey Mike's, or B, Jimmy John's, because they have this cool little option. It's a little a bit too much, but I'm pretty sure we'll go a little bit. It's these little small subs that can each, it's basically a mini version of the larger portions. And I think that would be great. Do you have any ideas of what we can do?
I'm thinking, like, at first I was thinking, like, having it right up. Oh, Chick-fil-A muffin, that could be good. But Chick-fil-A doesn't have that much stuff, so, no,
Yeah.
not Chick-fil-A. But
I agree with you, Tyler. Chick-fil-A doesn't have a lot of options.
I don't know. You guys could tell us what places we should mukbang.
No,
You guys have the power. You guys tell us what to do.
Sadly, we haven't been getting as many comments as we usually probably get. Mainly because we want more suggestions. So we don't care if Katie Burton or Jaden Desmond or Ethan Crowder comments 100 times. That'd be nice, and it would be awesome if each one of those was a separate opinion of what we should do or suggestion. That'd be awesome. You know, we'll have upwards of 300 videos upcoming just for you guys. So I think it's a pretty good point to kind of come to close. Be sure to follow us, subscribe to us on YouTube, turn on the bell to join the Notification Nation, and to all your friends, do a mukbang, do a good subscribe. Spread awareness. So, thank you guys, and yeah, see you later, alligators.
What they don't know is that I'm telling everyone right now, subscribe, notification bell. Oh, wait a minute. This is actually Jaden. Wait, Jaden Desmond. This is the actual account, not the other one. Okay, so what did I think about this video? It was okay. I like the reviews. I mean, they're better than, like, pros. But, yeah, I mean, honestly, like I said, they could have gotten, like, another version of, like, the nachos, but, like, half the size. Like, it's basically the same exact thing, but, like, the box is, like, cut in half. Like, so, yeah. And, as you can tell, I like their video, I subscribed to them, and yeah, now I just gotta upload the video, and, like, make the intro to this part of the video, cause I did it, but, like, that was before I chose to, like, review them, because I was actually planning on making a video about something else. This is the video that I wanted to talk about, but, like, I didn't want to, so, yeah, go and follow Nicholas and Tyler and Jaden Desmond on myspace.windows92.net. Follow Nicholas and Tyler food reviews. Follow Jaden Desmond. Make sure to follow the one that has the person taking a picture of themselves with the 3DS. Make sure to follow that account, not the one that just says Jaden Desmond. Okay? So, I don't really know what to talk about, but bye. I can't believe how this video is 23 minutes and 30 seconds and 36 milliseconds long. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and goodbye. Am I getting paid for this?